go ahead and hit the gas. Just kind of like feather it somewhat. Good enough.